Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Might be similar to other years' Grand Caravans in the Chrysler Town & Countries and some other vehicles. This video is going to contain a lot of information. The label right here is your underhood label, and it tells you a lot of information about your vehicle, what emissions components are on it, the engine size, if it's California certified or not, if it's OBD2 certified or not. A lot of information. Stay with us. You're going to see the O2 sensors, a lot of the EVAP system, including the canister, the purge valve, vent, all that great stuff. Take a look at the engine. Just look it all over once. Make sure you don't have any broken vacuum lines or anything. Over here on the rear valve cover, you're going to have the PCV valve. Well, at least that's the side of, or that hose goes to the side of the intake that has vacuum, not the breather side. Over here on the passenger side, between the firewall and the air filter, you're going to have the EVAP canister purge solenoid. Check out my other videos. You'll find a video on how to replace this solenoid. It's real simple, real easy if you're chasing an EVAP code. I think I'll show you how to test it too. Back over here on the driver's side, you have the auxiliary brake vacuum booster pump. Looks like it would be super easy to replace as well. While you're watching, subscribe. I do have a lot of emissions component videos. Over here on the front exhaust manifold, you have your bank 2 sensor 1 oxygen sensor, possibly an air fuel ratio sensor. Make sure you check for a link in the description to below to buy the parts if you need them. Here in the middle of the catalytic converter, you're going to have your post-cat O2 sensors or your rear O2 sensors. These sensors only measure the efficiency of the catalytic converter. So if you're chasing a P0420, a P0421, or a P0422, you'd always be looking at post-cat O2 sensors or your rear O2 sensors. Check out Scotty's Hobbies. Find more videos like this, or your EVAP component locations. Trying to get you a good view of the backside oxygen sensors, which actually are your bank 1. You can see them both right here. The top one is your bank 1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor, and the one in the middle of the catalytic converter is the bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor. Kind of hard to get to from the top, but if you look from the bottom of the vehicle near the driver door, you can see both oxygen sensors with a clear view. Right here, this is looking up from under the driver door, under the vehicle, looking at the exhaust manifold. You have that top one, that's your bank 1 sensor 1, and the bottom is your bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensors. So there's 2 different ways to get to it, from up top or here on the bottom. Take a good long hard look at those. Now to find the EVAP canister and vent solenoids, you have to get under the vehicle. The EVAP canister itself is right here above the rear subframe connector. It's that big plastic piece right there. This doesn't look like it'd be too easy to replace, and they very rarely go bad anyway. At the end of your EVAP canister, you have the EVAP canister vent solenoid. This causes a lot of problems if you get debris in that hose. You get leaks, so very problematic. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.